Alright, so a while back in a different pickups video, I was talking about these tech decks that I picked up and how I wanted to paint them and just scratch them up a bit, and that's what I'm going to be focusing on this video. Uh, what I'm planning on doing is I'll probably get some sandpaper and just scratch away at some of the boards here to give them like that detail that they've been used and well skated on. And same with the wheels, I'm gonna scratch those up a little bit and then add some paint to make it look like there's wood underneath. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Should be pretty dope, so I hope you enjoy. So this was kind of the idea I wanted to go with the skateboards here. I used sandpaper just on the wheels there. Every fucking time. Well, hopefully you can see that. But I put sandpaper just on the tires there. I rubbed them around a bit so it looks like the wheels have been getting a lot of use in them. I scratched a lot of the paint off of the board there and then added a bit more of that board color underneath the paint to make it look like it's been used with tricks and stuff. And on here I just rubbed a little bit so it's like the feet are primarily here on the board. Yeah, that's pretty much all I want to do for these ones. I'm gonna do the rest of the skateboards here, but I need to add all this stuff first, so I'll probably do that and then continue painting them up. Alright, so I finished up the first one here, and I think I got most of it. A lot of the stuff feels kind of a bit loose, and I was probably stripping some of them screws and stuff like that, but they're so tiny. I've never been good at just the little tiny stuff, putting stuff together like that. So I've kind of been dreading this video because I knew I had to make these skateboards, but as soon as I make them all, I can paint them up and then I'll be done. So I'll do a little speed lapse of me doing one of them, probably 20 minutes. I mean, I hope that's exaggerating, but I don't know, I'm not really good at it.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, so here's a group shot of a couple different characters with the skateboards from different lines. I got two of the Marvel Legends figures, got a NECA turtle as well as a Playmates turtle, and the scaling seems to be pretty good for all of them here. It's really cool seeing the NECA turtle with a bit more realistic looking skateboard, so that's pretty dope. I'm going to be adding the skateboards and stuff in certain stop motions now. I'll give you a little close up on some of the boards here. I wanted them all to be a little bit different from one another. This one is a bunch of stickers on the board because I know some people throw a bunch of stickers on there. All of them I use sandpaper, paint, and rubbed away at like the grip there because of all the use the skateboards have been having, that it's been like rubbing away at it. I think they look really dope like this. It's very simple, just sandpaper and a little bit of dry brushing, but it got the job done very well, so I'm pretty proud of how they turned out. Again, on the wheels here as well, they're all scraped up. So they've been rolling around on like different like gravel and stuff like that. This one, I didn't want to ruin it too much. I wanted to keep most of it the same, but with just a little bit of wear. But yeah, that should pretty much be it for this video. I'll probably have a little showcase of some pictures here, but nice. You'll definitely be seeing these in some upcoming stop motions, so look out for that. And thank you for watching.